Hope you're having a great day. Today's talk, Lisa on the Go, Shaping Up. Lisa on the Go, Shaping Up. Life is life for everyone. Lisa on the Go believes no one has it better than anyone else. They just have it different. We all experience stress and emotions. Yes, one can say they are more this or that, and but. The truth is, there are no degrees, levels, or rating system. It is all the same. You disagree? Then ask yourself, who is judging? And on what or whose rating system? It's like you're a little pregnant and you know this can't be. Now, you can begin to understand there are no rating system on stress or emotions. It is what it is, and we all experience. Now, let's move forward to making the stress and the emotions in your life easier. Lisa on the Go says to shape up. Shape up to Lisa on the Go is what resonates for you to release the stress in your life, to feel good about you, mentally and physically. Lisa on the Go has activities and tools to shape up to feel good for you. What foods resonates for you? Let's have some talks and recipes to change our ways and feel better about ourselves. Yoga for your body, guided meditation for your mind, and A Course in Miracles for your spirit. And talks about the foods we eat, the foods we like, and the foods that resonate for us. Recipes and talks to help balance you. Tone your body, heal your mind, and open your heart. Come join us today. Try the 21 free day trial and start feeling your best. When life is tough, the tough get going. Let's go. You don't know how? One moment at a time. That resonates for you. Try the chair yoga for everyone, or listen and learn about what is guided meditation. No, you could do this too. It is for everyone, and do what feels right for you. Lisa on the Go feels so much better. She could listen spiritually and get out of her ego to get moving. This is about moving around, changing your thoughts to get some stress free, and shaping up. Have a great day. Love, laughter, and peace. Lisa on the Go.